So before we jump into the video, let me show you guys a platform I personally have been using to buy cheap Grok accounts. Now on this platform, you can buy the super Grok accounts for a full month for as low as $5. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the video description down below. Let's jump right back into our video. Alright guys, so the platform we are going to use to get free access to Grok AI is called removesorawatermark.online. This platform here is an all-in-one AI creative studio, and over here you can see they have video models here which include Cadence 2.0, Link AI, Grok AI, Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Helio AI, and Veo 3.1. They also have image models here which include GPT Image 2.1, Nano Banana. All these tools, you can use them completely free on this platform. They also have Suno AI here. Now if you want to sign up, I'm going to leave the link in the video description down below. Now over here at the top, you can see you've received 20 credits. So immediately you sign up, they give you 20 credits. And don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how you can create unlimited AI videos with Grok AI, Cadence 2.0, and a lot of other AI tools here on this platform completely free. So stick around. So if I go ahead and scroll all the way down here, you will see if you want to generate AI video, you click on it. If you want to generate AI images, you click on this one. If you want to generate AI audio, you click on this. AI music, you click on it. So we are going to start with AI video. Then come down here where it says model. Go ahead and select the AI model you want to use. Like I said earlier, you can see there are lots of them right here. So you can see right here, they have Grok video, they have image to video by Grok. And if you scroll down here, you also see that they have Grok video extender. So you can extend your AI videos here using Grok AI model for free. Grok video upscale, so you can upscale your videos here as well. So first of all, we are going to be using the Grok image to video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And down here, this is where you can describe your video. Then you scroll down here and upload your reference image which you want to animate. Alright, so I am first of all going to paste in my prompts right here. After pasting my prompts, I'm going to scroll down here and upload my image. So I'm just going to click here and import it. You can see it loading up right there. Alright, so you can see the image has been uploaded. Next, I'm going to scroll down here and select the aspect ratio as usual. So I'm going to select 16:9. I'm going to go ahead and hit on generate, and you can see we are going to use 7 credits. Remember, at the end of this video, I'll be showing you guys a way to generate unlimited AI videos with Grok AI on this platform. So just keep watching. Let's go ahead and animate it and see the result. The duration, we are going to leave it at 6 seconds because on this platform, the longer the duration, the higher the credits you'll be consuming. So you can see right here, if I increase it to 30 seconds, you will see that this is going to cost us 32 credits. So let's just take it back to 6 seconds right here. And down here on the quality of the video, which is the resolution, we are going to leave it at 440p. Under the mode here, we are going to go ahead and select phone. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and hit generate. You can see right here, the video is currently generating right here. Alright guys, so the video has been generated. The next thing we are going to do right now is to go ahead and download the video. Alright, so once the video is downloaded, we'll go ahead and play the video. Alright, so next we are going to generate our videos making use of prompts. So all I need to do is to come over here. I'm going to switch from image to video to Grok video. Now we are only using text to generate a video, not image to video. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste in the new prompts right here. I'm going to scroll down here and hit on generate. The video has been generated successfully. So let's download so we can go ahead and watch the full video.
You know I love you, right?
And I'll always love you too.
Okay guys, so the video came out exactly the way I expected it. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to generate videos with Grok AI on this platform on limited time. So all you need to do is to scroll down here and click on try unlimited. So once you click on try unlimited, it's going to take me right here. Now once it takes me right here, over here you will see all their packages, but that is not what we are talking about. If you look closely right here, you see that it says claim your daily credits rewards, and you can see right here it says claim 25 credits. So every single day you can come over here on the platform and claim 25 credits. And if you go ahead and click on remind me every day, the platform is going to remind you every day to claim your free credits. So I'm just going to go ahead and claim mine right here. You can see my credit is now going to go up to 31. It was just remaining 6. So that is how to get free credits every day and continue generating. So all you need to do is to go ahead, click on use now, and it's going to take you right here where you can generate videos with Cadence 2.0, with Grok AI, and a lot of other AI tools that are available on the platform completely free. All right guys, so that's all I have for you guys in this video. If you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like to the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video just like this for you guys. And with that being said, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.